This is our dinner for tonight, family. We are having fish and chips. Shane, do you want to open?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Mussels is for mummy.
That's all right. So,
Let's do a mussel fish.
and Anna,
Is it wings?
that's just fish food.
Is it wings?
No, it's fish and chips. We open this one too. Oh yeah. We've got the corn dogs here. We don't need this.
Bye.
Yeah. Get your plates. Oh yeah.
They actually ordered this. I'm just pretending. Yeah. Oh, what's Uncle saying? Yeah.
Chips. Sausages on there. Nice.
Yeah, I'm just having this off the plate because if anything comes, come down. Yeah. If I got nothing else, I'm gonna finish everything.
Oi. Ja, en tje. Wil.
Have the sauce, please.
Pick it up.
Have the sauce, please. Have the sauce, please.
You already have the sauce, John.
Is that?
Look, it's got sauce on here. The mayo.
Sauce. Anna.
But I already got a corn dog.
Yummy, poopy? Yummy? Yummy? It's nice. See, I got.
Chips McCann there. Oh,
Look for the chips.
Yeah.
wait. Ah, you're supposed to see there. We're gonna cut layer there.
Mussel fritters.
Yummy. Chip shop in Hamilton.
Yes. Yummy.
Mm.
You guys are used to this, say the McCain style.
Low seafood. Nice. Mussel fritters.
Can you have a look?
Mussel.
Yummy then.
Nangayaan. Man, so nice.
Is that toy?
Kaya ano, nasaan yan yan? Kain mo na so, kasi nasa
Ela koului dumore kasia o
I know.
When you're up there.
Bravo. Muscle fish is nice.
It's really nice. It's nice. It's just
Van de makpijnen.
Alright guys, our video for today is really short. We just wanted to show you guys our dinner, which was really nice. It was yum. But that's our video for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and the bell for notifications so you don't miss our video tomorrow. Alright, bye!
Bye, Mama.
Bye!
Bye.